always start the vlog looking so crazy, but I promise I'm gonna look so much better today. I'm actually filming 2 vlogs for Vlogmas because I missed day 8. It was supposed to be what I got for Christmas, but it's actually gonna be a holiday makeup routine, which I'm gonna do today because I'm going to New York City. I'm so excited to go to New York. I finally am seeing the tree after years of not seeing it. So today's video is just gonna be the makeup routine, and then Vlogmas day 9 is going to be the whole city day. Just starting off with this Bioma toner. Become my favorite product. It just feels so nice on the skin. And my braids aren't 100% dry from last night, so I am gonna have to dry them a little bit before I take them out. Well, I am so hungry. I'm planning to leave at 12. It's right now, it's 11:12. I'm gonna go in with the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors Beta-Glucan. This is a brand new product. I just ran out of the last one. I just prefer a gel moisturizer during the day and then more of a cream one during the night, just because the gel one during the day lays better under my makeup, I think. And then I always go in and put my moisturizer onto my hands as well. I'm gonna have to really moisturize today. I think the high today is like 30 something, so it's gonna be pretty cold, but I have a really nice jacket and this hooded scarf thing that I'll show you guys. Well, that'll be in my next video, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna put this cracked heel stick on my heels now so that can soak in, because my feet are just gonna be so dry. I'm gonna put nice comfy socks on and wear my Uggs, because I'm just not gonna be cute and wear boots, because I did that last year when I went to see Wicked and my feet were killing me. Okay, I just went and grabbed all my brushes. Now I have everything that I need. I'm gonna first go in with this Say Illuminator. I'm just gonna put this on my cheekbones, on my nose, anywhere where I just want it to stay looking dewy and illuminated. Pretty much everywhere, just to look nice and illuminated. Also, I have a pimple here and here. I cannot tell you the last time I had a pimple, which if you guys have been following me for a long time, you know is a huge deal because I just used to break out all the time. I'm gonna go in with the Gloomy Lotion by L'Oreal and the It Cosmetics CC Cream. This is my favorite combination for my skin. That's probably a little too much because this product goes a long way, but it's okay. Mix these two together just to give me some glow. I'm also gonna put it down to my neck. Sorry if my cat is shaking this. I'm gonna put it down to my neck so it'll be perfect because I don't want to look pale because I did not self-tan last night. My fiance has not been feeling good. She actually was diagnosed with pneumonia, so she really hasn't been feeling well, and I really just haven't been doing anything. She's been like hanging out with her, taking care of her. So I didn't like self-tan or anything, which is totally fine. I really haven't self-tanned in months. I think the next time I'll self-tan is usually Christmas time, like the day before Christmas Eve, so that I'm tan at work, I'm tan for Christmas, and then I'll tan for my holiday party, which we always do the week after, the first week of January, basically. Put the rest down here. All down here is gonna be showing in my bodysuit, so I really have to bronze up down there. I'll probably take this off later and just do some bronzing down here so I just match everywhere. I'm just so fair right now. Look at that. So fair. I really didn't get a good tan this summer, so that's like a double whammy right there. I'm going in with the Tower 8 concealer. This is the shade DTLA. I'm going in with the makeup today just because I know when it's cold, sometimes I start to like tear up a little bit. Just like to make it a little bit lighter here. And I just feel like my makeup just comes off through the day. I'm actually gonna let this set a little bit. Really should have put my blush first and then the concealer. I always end up doing that by accident. I'm gonna put, when I say a lot of blush, you guys are gonna be like, what is wrong with you? It was the Juvia's Place Blush Lily, my favorite shade ever. Then I went in with the Dibs contour stick. This is my favorite contour stick I've ever tried. I'm gonna do a little here. I'm gonna blend out the contour. Probably gonna get all over this. I should not have worn a white headband. So happy I put my hair in braids though, because I was gonna just blow it out today and wave it. And right now I just do not have the time for that. So I'm really glad I didn't do that. I feel like I have to blend out the blush first. This is gonna be so much blush, but you guys are gonna see. Trust me, you're gonna see. You guys are gonna see that it's all gonna come together. So cute. Didn't do a little here. Trust me, it's not gonna stay like this. Just relax. I am a certified makeup artist. I'm a licensed cosmetologist. It's gonna all come together. I truly think the secret to concealer is putting 2 layers of concealer for a look like this, but not putting 2 like super thick layers. You can't use like, you know, the e.l.f. concealer and be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do 2 layers, because it's just too thick. You need a concealer that's lighter in consistency, more lightweight. And finally blend out this contour here. I have to put a little bit more bronzer, but I brought my Fenty. I think this is Shady Biz. Also, I'm not doing my makeup in my little makeup area right now because my fiance is sleeping in there. As she's been sick, she hasn't wanted to wake me up during the middle of the night coughing, so she's been sleeping in there, which is very sweet and very gracious of her, because it's just so hard for me to sleep in the middle of the night. Like, I will wake up when she rolls over. Like, I'm just such a light sleeper, so it's really been helping me and her sleep, so like she can actually get like a really good night's rest. If I get up in the middle of the night for any reason, she can just, you know, she's asleep. It works out for both of us, but I miss her. I'm gonna quickly fill in my eyebrows with this brow pencil by e.l.f. Oh, that looks amazing. I think the secret also to getting nice fluffy brows like this, I mean, you already have to have sort of like, you have to have good brow hairs, I feel like, or you have to pencil them in, do like little strokes of them. But I feel like the key, honestly, is just putting like little lines like right here and then blending it out. I just feel like it looks so nice and blended and fluffy like that. This brow is always better than this one. And of course, this is my good side that I always like to take pictures on. So I forgot to put my primer. I knew I was forgetting something. If you guys saw my Vlogmas video where I did my lashes, I lifted and tinted them. I used a different size rod and it didn't lift them, like barely, only a little bit. Only where they're like, instead of like this, they're like this. I wanted them like this, and it just didn't lift them enough because I used a bigger rod, which I knew I shouldn't have done, but I did it anyway. Yeah, that's where I'm at with that, so I'm frustrated with it. And this is where the second layer of concealer comes in. Usually I'll use a lighter concealer, but I just don't feel like going back to my little beauty space to do that. And then you just blend it out. I just feel like maybe it just works for me like this because I have a lot of hollowness here. It's like a dark circle and it's hollow. My boss and I talk all the time about it being because we're Italian, like for some reason, like our families just all have that like hollowness here. Maybe it's just something in our like European genetics. See how the blush doesn't even look that crazy right now? I actually want to go get one of my powder blushes and put more on. I love that I got the lip flip. Like, look how pretty my Cupid's bow looks. I can't take myself seriously. Like, did I really just do that? Okay, now I'm going in with the Morphe setting powder. Oh, that was a good angle. I always have to put powder on my eyelids before I put any kind of shadow because my eyelids are so oily. You would not believe how quickly mascara, eyeshadow and all that comes off of my eyelids. It's so frustrating. I'm gonna put this powder all over my face because I want my bronzer and my powder blush and everything to blend seamlessly. So the trick is to put powder everywhere. And then even just with this powder still on my face, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty bronzer with a nice big fluffy brush. This one's from, it says Heavenly Luxe. I feel like I got it with like a cosmetic serum one time. I could be wrong, but that's where I think it's from. Like, look how pretty. And just how bronzy that looks. I always take it a little bit down my nose like that. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. brow gel. I'm not gonna really put them up. I just really want them to stay like down and in place. I am gonna put these cluster lashes on just because, like I said, my eyelashes didn't stay up when I did the lift and tint like it usually does. So I'm gonna put this, I don't know how you say it. Is it Sesho lip liner stain. I'm gonna put that on while I'm doing my lashes. I'm gonna do a slight wing. You guys will see I do a wing like so quickly now. I'm doing a wing on my eyes. I literally just go out like this. And then when I have nails on, I just go like that. Brown liner, so pretty. I like to bring it out a good amount because my eyes are like this part right here, it's hooded. I want to upper bluff so bad just to make it so much easier for me to put makeup on every day. And it looks so cute. Working up with a little bit of a darker brown. I just like to map it out with the lighter brown first. Tightline my eyes, which this usually makes my eyes tear, which is so annoying. I love doing these in-depth tutorials. I miss doing these so much. Before I do my eyelashes, I'm gonna put some eye makeup on from this MUA palette. It'll look like been in like the snow. I think this white shadow and like a brown liner looks so pretty, and I use this shade. And I want to do this first so that it doesn't get on my lashes because I hate how that looks on my lashes. And now my eye is tearing because it feels like there's something in my eye. See, even to makeup artists, it happens to us too. Give my eye a minute and put this on. This stuff smells so weird. This is a really pretty dupe for the, what are these necklaces called? I'll put it on the screen, I can't remember right now. And then these earrings are the Samantha Nicole collection with Every Jewels. Why are all of their earrings, or literally how are all of their earrings like $5 all the time? I don't know if they're doing okay. I think I'm gonna add a little bit, and my tourmaline, black tourmaline bracelet. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of a deeper, just this hunty shade. It's like a cool brown. I think I'm just gonna put it right here. Yeah, I like that already. Just to deepen up my crease. Like the slightest, oh, that looks so much better. I just feel like I needed a little bit more depth right here. Okay, I think my eye's done tearing now. So I'm definitely gonna set myself with setting spray, like a dewy one, because I just look so mattified right now, and I also need to put more blush. I use the Falscara Bond and Seal. What I do is I put the bond, which is the glue, underneath my lashes like this. I saw those like viral ColourPop. They were like these lash shadow sticks. I want to buy one, but the one I wanted was sold out from TikTok shop, but I found it on Ulta. So I want to buy it from there. It's so pretty. And then I usually take just 12s and 10s. I prefer if there's also 8s in a pack. Oh, that's sticky. I prefer if there's also 8s in a pack, but sometimes they don't have it. So I'm gonna go in with, I think I do 3 12s and 2 10s, and that's it. I put it about here. I don't even put it like on the outer part because then it hangs down a little bit. My eyes are more round, so they go down. Like, that's perfect. Or maybe I do 2 12s and 3 10s, because I think typically what I really would like to do is 2 12s, 2 10s, and an 8. I'd like to really press them together nice. This one's not sticking good, so I take it off and then I redo it just to make sure it's really on there. Sometimes I'll have to put more of like the bond stuff too. And then I always take a look, make sure it's looking good. And I pinch them all together. And honestly, this looks perfect. And then let me tell you, when I try to do the other eye sometimes, I cannot replicate it. I'm gonna take this peel off now. Lashes are done. Oh, it came out perfect. I'm just gonna let it bake under here while I finish my hair. Okay, that's the best it's gonna get. I'm gonna put a little bit of this, like a dot of this hair mask in on the ends, just so they're not so curly right there. So I hate how that looks. So pretty.